What's up guys, welcome back to the second lecture of Python with Turtle course, and in this lecture we are going to have a bird eye view on the history of Python programming, basically the turtle programming. So let's begin. Part of the original logo programming language developed by Valley and Seymour in 1966. So it is basically developed in 1966 and it's a part of logo programming language, right? Turtles are the type of educational robots designed in 1940. So it is also a type of educational robots, right? A robot that helps to create or draw something, and that are typically designed to design low to the ground. And some turtles are specifically designed to have pens attached to the back of them so they can draw on a larger sheets of paper. So this point is a little bit complicated. You can understand this thing when we start coding and drawing different shapes by using turtle module, right? So the third point is it uses the tkinter for the underlying graphics, and it also needs a version of Python installed with tk support. So they have used the tkinter module in its backend, and it needs the version of Python. So you have to install that version of Python which is supported by the tk support or tkinter. So you have to make sure these things, like you have the correct version of the Python installed on your PC. Otherwise, you're not able to work on the Turtle module. Okay guys, so that is pretty much about the history of Turtle programming, and I hope you have a good understanding of this. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.